How to post a job on LinkedIn. Now, before posting a job, make sure you're working at a company so you can post your job. If you don't work at a company or you don't add that working company onto LinkedIn, you won't be able to post a job. It'll prompt you to add a working company. I already have a working company here, the best company ever, LTT. I don't actually work here. I'm just putting that in as an example so I can show you guys how to do this. So the way you do it is when you're on your homepage, you press this to make a new post. And let's press more. And then here, share that you're hiring. This is essentially just posting a job listing on LinkedIn. Press that. And let's put in a new job title. This will be a media manager. Media manager. The workplace is either on-site, hybrid, or remote. Be sure to pick this based on your actual job listing. On there, I'll be just making it on-site. The location will be in around London. And the job type can be either full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, internship. I'll pick part-time. Make sure you change this up appropriate to what your actual job listing is. Now you can write on your own or you can write this with AI. I'll show you if you write on your own what it'll be like. So when you write on your own, it'll be this. You need to provide a summary of the role, the responsibilities, the qualifications, and you can't continue if you don't type this with actually anything. So make sure to fill this out and be sure to pay attention to what LinkedIn tell you as well. Be specific when describing each of responsibility. Use gender neutral, inclusive language. Be careful by if you're using he, she. So just use they. The qualification as well. You want to exclude skills, education, experience, or certifications. So for example's sake, I'm just going to write this with AI. If you write this with AI, it'll write on its own with AI. The qualifications, the feedback, role description, company descriptions, blah, blah, blah. Once you've pressed next, it'll say your job requires a security check. LinkedIn is a trusted place for people and hiring and finding job. We run routine payment verifications and all of that. You need to complete the payment verification and your post job will be active. So it's like that. You need to verify your payments. I'm not going to press continue since this is not an actual job, but for you, you'll just press continue and you'll need to complete a payment verification. And after that, your job will be active.